Welcome everyone to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Wednesday, the 11th of October, 2023. Hope you're having a great day. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So, as we get started here, we're going to go and take a look first at the S&P 500 and see what the heck it's doing. So, we have given a tremendous amount of the S&P back. We're up about 24 points right now. We've got 5 minutes left till the market closes. It has been our third great run day, right? We got up into what is considered a neutral bias right now. So overall, I like the pattern. I don't like that we're failing at that 43.67 level. I definitely would like to have seen it close above, but we've got a good move. I'm just not a fan at the end of the day there. Traders might be looking at this going, maybe a little bit of an overreaction. Fed president or member spoke today saying that they didn't think the recession was going to be bad. We're going to get hit with one. We're going to be back to a 2% inflation. Blah, 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 blah. I hope they're right. We'll see what happens as we look at our candidates. So Adobe is the very first one. I love the setup on Adobe right now. If we go and look at the full Fibonacci on Adobe. All right, let's bring that in. All right. So we broke out of the negative 136 today. I like where we are. Give me either a retest and a bounce on Adobe tomorrow. We've got resistance right now at 546 and a quarter. That means right around 545-ish is going to be our target. Now remember something. Everything we look at here is for educational purposes. None of these setups are meant to be advice or recommendations, okay? So we're looking at that 546.21 is resistance, so right about 545-ish is going to be our target to the upside. If we fail and drop below the 532.48 retest and drop, then we're looking at the closing price of the 21 moving average, which right now is about 524. That's support, so maybe 525, 525 and a half is going to be our target. So I love Adobe. I think it's a great setup, right? Netflix. Well, actually, Netflix in the last 10 minutes since I picked this candidate has given a lot back. So we're going to pass on Netflix for right now. Let's go look at Domino's Pizza. I like Domino's setup, right? We're in a bearish bias, true bearish bias, right? If we can get the move down to 350.57, break through it, retest and fail, 336 and a half is support. So right about 338, 337 and 3/4, half, somewhere around there is going to be our target to the downside. On the upside, retest at 350 and a half, 361 is resistance, so right about 360, 359 and a half, somewhere in there is going to be our target, right? And number three, let's take a look at United Healthcare. UNH, actually I want to go see the whole picture on UNH. There it is. There she blows. We are in a true bullish bias right now. We closed right at the fib at the negative 136, which is the hesitation line. If we break, retest, and drop tomorrow, we're looking at about 517 and a half is going to be support. So right about 519, 518 and a half, somewhere around there is going to be our target. If we break up, retest, and bounce to the upside, we're looking at 533. So right about 532, 531 and a half, somewhere around there is where my target's going to be on UNH. All right, and there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Make it a profitable day, and I will see all of you at our next update. We'll talk soon. Bye for now.